Inspectors often face several challenges during their daily routines. Firstly, a lack of access can be a major hurdle. Inadequate access to attics, crawl spaces, and other areas where potential issues may be hidden significantly impedes thorough inspections. Secondly, inconsistent or outdated codes present a recurring problem. Inspectors must deal with variations in building codes across different jurisdictions. Staying up to date with amendments and local interpretations requires continuous effort. Thirdly, communication barriers can arise. Difficulty establishing clear communication with contractors, homeowners, and other stakeholders can lead to misunderstandings and delays. Fourthly, overlapping inspections create logistical difficulties. Coordinating with other inspectors such as plumbing or electrical inspectors can lead to scheduling conflicts and delays, impacting project timelines. Fifthly, uninformed homeowners can complicate the process. Homeowners may not fully understand the inspection process or the implications of identified issues, requiring inspectors to provide additional explanations and education. Contractors, on the other hand, frequently encounter their own set of problems when dealing with inspectors. Firstly, subjectivity in inspections can be a source of frustration. Inspectors' judgments can sometimes be subjective, leading to disputes or perceived inconsistencies in enforcement. Secondly, nitpicking can be a point of contention. Inspectors may focus on minor or cosmetic issues that do not significantly impact the integrity or safety of the structure, which contractors may view as unnecessary or excessive. Thirdly, unreasonable expectations constrain the relationship between contractors and inspectors. Some inspectors may have unrealistic expectations for the quality of work or the materials used, leading to disagreements over compliance. Fourthly, a lack of understanding can create friction. Inspectors may not fully comprehend the complexities of construction methods or specific code requirements, resulting in misinterpretations or incorrect assessments. Fifthly, contractors may perceive unfair treatment. Contractors may feel they are unfairly targeted or that inspectors are overly critical of their work, leading to resentment and mistrust. Overcoming these challenges requires open communication, mutual respect, and a commitment to upholding the highest standards of safety and quality in the construction industry. For inspectors, it involves ensuring accessibility, staying current with code changes, improving communication skills, coordinating effectively with other inspectors, and educating homeowners. For contractors, it means understanding that inspections are in place to ensure things are being done correctly and safely. This also may involve being informed about the latest codes and construction methods. Open communication is the key to any of these issues. Ensuring there is a clear line of communication between inspectors and contractors can help solve many of the issues that they face on a daily basis. The issues related to attics, crawl spaces, and other inaccessible areas are important for inspectors because these areas can contain hidden problems like mold, structural damage, or faulty electrical wiring. If inspectors cannot access these areas, they cannot properly assess the safety and condition of the building. Inspectors need to be able to identify any potential issues so that the homeowner is aware. The differences in building codes across jurisdictions also poses a significant challenge because codes can vary widely. What is acceptable in one area may not be in another. Inspectors need to be knowledgeable about the specific codes in their jurisdiction. They need to be up to date on any amendments. Contractors working in multiple jurisdictions must also be aware of the varying codes. This requires ongoing education and training. Communication barriers between inspectors, contractors, and homeowners are important because clear communication is essential for a smooth inspection process. Misunderstandings or lack of communication can lead to delays, disputes, and dissatisfaction. Inspectors need to be able to clearly explain their findings and requirements, while contractors and homeowners need to be able to ask questions and seek clarification. Coordinating with other inspectors, e.g., plumbing, electrical, is necessary to avoid scheduling conflicts and delays, which can disrupt construction timelines. Effective coordination requires good communication and organization. Inspectors need to work together to ensure that all aspects of the building are properly inspected without causing unnecessary delays. Uninformed homeowners may not fully understand the inspection process or the implications of identified issues, making it difficult for inspectors to do their job effectively. Inspectors may need to explain the inspection process, answer questions, and provide education to help homeowners understand the findings and recommendations. Subjectivity in inspections is one of the problems that contractors have to deal with on a daily basis because inspectors' judgments can sometimes be subjective, leading to disputes or potential delays. Contractors may feel that they are being unfairly targeted or that the inspector's interpretation of the code is not consistent. Nitpicking refers to when inspectors may focus on minor or cosmetic issues that do not significantly impact the integrity or safety of the structure. Contractors may view this as unnecessary or excessive, leading to frustration and delays. Unreasonable expectations can also be a problem because some inspectors may have unrealistic expectations for the quality of work or the materials used. Contractors may feel that the inspector's standards are too high or that they are being held to an impossible standard. Inspectors may also not fully comprehend the complexities of construction methods or specific code requirements. This can lead to misinterpretations or incorrect assessments, which can cause delays and disputes. Inspectors need to have a thorough understanding of construction methods and code requirements to avoid making mistakes. When contractors may feel they are unfairly targeted or that inspectors are overly critical of their work, this can create a negative and adversarial relationship. It is important for inspectors to be fair and impartial in their inspections and to treat all contractors with respect. It is also important for contractors to be respectful of inspectors and to cooperate with them during the inspection process. When inspectors show up to a job site to perform inspections, the first thing they should do is introduce themselves to the contractor or superintendent that is overseeing the job. They should explain the scope of the inspection and let them know what areas they will be inspecting. If the inspector sees a deficiency, they should immediately notify the contractor and show them. If the contractor refuses to correct the problem, the inspector will have to write up a violation. The contractor has the right to ask questions about the violation and can have a superintendent or another licensed contractor there to help plead their case.